Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 1-year update. Yes, 1-year update since my FUE hair procedure. So let's get right to it. First and foremost, I want to say happy birthday to my little hair follicles. They are literally 1 year old today. It was 1 year ago to the day, August 2nd of last year, that I had my FUE hair transplant. So all this hair right here, these are little baby follicles that are 1 year old as of today. So guys, wish them happy birthday. Happy birthday, little follicles. Okay, enough with the clowning around. So it's been 1 month since my last video, and as you can tell, my hair looks more voluminous. I haven't done anything, I haven't cut it, and I'm not wearing any product at all today because I wanted you guys to see the natural effect of, you know, letting it grow out and not putting any product in it. So it looks really like I said, voluminous. Like I wanted a lion's mane, and I'm getting there, you know. So it looks and feels really nice. I even get compliments from people on the street telling me that I have nice hair. So I'll do I'll zoom in so you guys can see the hairline right now. Okay, so today we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna actually I have a brush here, and I'm gonna brush my hair on camera so you guys can see how that looks. I'm gonna try to make this in slow motion too, so it looks extra glamorous. But that's how it's looking. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, pulling it back here. Now this is the side that I wish would grow in. I guess this is it. I don't know. It's like, it's a year, right? So this is as good as it's gonna get for now. But I want to show you guys. I mean, that's still really good. I'll put the before photo right here now. As you're looking at the before photos, use the 2 moles that I have here as a reference point so you can see the difference in the hairline, because it is really noticeable, especially when you use those 2 moles as reference points. The difference is big. Like Dr. Cortez lowered my hairline significantly and it looks so much better. I mean, the effect has been like amazing. I mean, it's really like made me look way younger, I think. So it's awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna do that little pageant twirl to show you the hair from all the sides. So you guys have seen the front. So now I'm gonna show you the sides. And as you can see, it's really grown in. I mean, I have like, I don't know, what do you call this? Like wings. It's like, it's grown in so much. And it looks like nothing happened ever. Like, check that out. It's like nothing. It's amazing. Then the back, same thing. It just looks like I have all this like hair here. It's like nothing happened. It's like amazing. Which is a good thing because, you know, you need all the donor hair for like future procedures. All right. Okay, I had to come to the bathroom because they're gardening outside and it's totally ruining the video. So I'll just finish the video here from my bathroom. So as you guys heard, I said that you need all the donor hair possible for future procedures. And I know some of you might be like, future procedures, like you don't need one, Moises. Well, actually, after much thinking, I've decided that I am gonna get a second mini procedure to fill in, you know, the areas that I feel still need a little bit of work. I mean, like I'm totally satisfied with the work I got at HMR, and my hair looks like beautiful and natural, but I guess I want my hair to look super natural. I really want a little more density, especially like right here. So later this month, I'm gonna go back to HMR, get a second mini procedure to fill in the gaps that I feel need a little bit of work. And it is gonna be a mini procedure because really there's not much to fix because not much is broken. I mean, honestly, it looks good, but I wanna look the best I can. So I'll be documenting that hair journey as well. I mean, originally I thought I was just gonna make, you know, a video every month for like a whole year. This was supposed to be like my last video. But then I'm like, well, I really want that to be like thicker, you know? So I'm gonna continue making videos and giving you updates. So if you guys wanna keep following my hair journey, go ahead and subscribe and all that stuff, because I'm gonna have the procedure done later this month, so I'll probably put a video out again before the end of the month so you guys can see the results of that. Probably as soon as the swelling goes down from the anesthesia, as soon as that goes away, I'll make a video and show you guys. All right, so now I'm gonna answer some questions. The number one question I keep getting is, do I take Rogaine or Finasteride or Propecia? And the answer every video, no, I don't take any of those. I have done some PRP treatments, which is platelet-rich plasma, but that's it. Other than that, it's just, you know, healthy eating, and I take care of myself, you know. I think I've said that in various videos, so that's that one. Second, I know a lot of you have tried to contact me via Facebook and DM me on Instagram, and I'm sorry, but I can't take any, you know, DMs or, you know, friend requests regarding the hair. It's just too overwhelming. So please know I'm not a jerk. It's just that, you know, I gotta keep my private life private, and it's just, I can't keep up with it. You know, I get too many of them. So I'm sorry, but, you know, these videos are helping you guys, hopefully. And, you know, if you have questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to get to them when I can get to them, you know. So I just want to let you guys know that. If there's a secret to having good results from a hair transplant, the secrets would be, well, first of all, go to a good place. Go to a good doctor like Dr. Cortez at HMR. You know, he knows what he's doing. He's ethical, and obviously the results speak for themselves. I've gotten good results. Fred Riley got good results, and I personally know of 2 other guys that also went to HMR, and they have gotten really good results. So it's not a fluke. They are good there. Second, I always tell guys that, you know, don't stress so much. You know, if you stress, you're gonna lose your hair. I'm pretty sure that I lost my hair because I was going through a really stressful time, you know, like 10, 15 years ago, and that's when I lost a lot of this frontal hairline. So now I try to deal with that, and I know it sounds like BS, like, oh, try not to be stressed. Well, if you guys don't believe me, there's this show on Netflix. It's called Brain Games, and on it's available now on the American Netflix. And if you go to season 6, episode 1, the episode's titled Positive Thinking, and they actually talk about the hormones that are released into the blood when you're stressed out and how that affects like your cells and stuff. So if you want a little science backing this up, watch that episode. It's called the Positive Thinking episode of Brain Games. It's on Netflix right now. And lastly, I know my videos have inspired some of you to go to HMR, and some of you have even said you're gonna make your own videos about your experience, and that's awesome. I can't wait to see them. One person that watched my videos and is actually gonna make videos already made one, and so I want to give him a shout out. His name is El Tío Juan Carlos, which basically translates to Uncle John Charles. So if you want to check out his channel, I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the description of this video, so check out his video. So because he went like last week, I think, so check him out too. All right, well, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in like 3.5 weeks. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try to document a lot of stuff of the mini procedure, like the swelling. I know a lot of you guys are interested in the whole scabs and how those come off. I don't know if I'll make a video of that, but I'll try to take photos and try to be detailed in the next video about that, because I know a lot of you have questions about that process. You know, you get scabs after the procedure and they have to come off, and you have to take them off yourself. So it's not scary though. It's actually easy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. My name's Moises Amaya, and I'm out.